Is silver on the brink of outshining gold? Presently, it's going through some evaluation without specific numbers. If it falls below a certain point, it might face additional challenges. What's causing silver to lag behind gold, even though it typically fares well in various situations? While silver has historically demonstrated higher volatility, outpacing gold in both bull and bear markets, it faces challenges in drawing investor interest during market upswings. Famous trader Dennis Gartman thinks the reason is that silver doesn't have the strong support from central banks that gold enjoys. But could things change this time? Is there a chance for silver to take the lead and help gold keep going up? Yes, silver can. We think that the time is now right for silver to shine bright, maybe brighter than gold even. Why? Well, the solar and photovoltaic construction and planning in the world needs so much silver, and the market is now in the 6th consecutive year of a large deficit. We expect for this year again a silver deficit of at least 150 million ounces, maybe much more. The demand is not shrinking, its source. Also, delivery demand at COMEX is rising and stands today already at 1,201 tons. Normally, these deliveries are merely the shuffling of ownership in COMEX registered vaults. However, the evidence suggests that silver is actually being transferred with a view to being physically delivered outside the vaulting system. Also from London vaults at LBMA, the physical silver is shrinking fast, now down to 814 million ounces silver from 1.13 billion ounces 2 years ago. The key to this activity is India. The Indian government introduced a solar production-linked incentive scheme. Reliance Industries, among others, are investing heavily in photovoltaic production and is commissioning the first 5 gigawatt phase of a 20 gigawatt manufacturing facility scheduled for opening this month. According to Alastair McLeod from goldmoney.com, he was informed by industry sources that being unable to source sufficient silver from refiners, Reliance has been buying what it can in silver markets, including COMEX. It is almost certainly Reliance which is taking the bulk of that 1,201 tons, and the acceleration of deliveries this month reflects the commissioning of phase 1 in German Gar. It seems extraordinary that with the massive increase in global ESG-related demand that the silver price has not yet risen significantly. Now that India is rapidly developing its output under government schemes, China is likely to lose its grip on the price. Chart-wise, we are nearing us the outbreak level at $32 slowly but surely. Silver is rising with higher lows and has established an upward trend. At $27 we get a first buy signal, followed at $32 with a pro-cyclical breakout. The first price target is then $50 with an interim target of approximately $40 per ounce. Silver looks great. If you like to participate, you should have a look at silver miners like Endeavour Silver and Max Silver. Endeavour Silver runs 2 mines already and brings with Terronera the 3rd mine into production end of this year. The output shall then rise to plus 16 million ounces silver equivalent per annum at AIC around the $12 per ounce level only. The pointed figure chart has started an upward reversal with a first price target at 5 to 6 Canadian dollars. With rising silver prices, we can also imagine that the old high at 9 Canadian dollars for May 2021 will come into the play. Max Silver is producing successfully with its partner Fresnillo from the Juanicipio mine in Mexico. The low target after the sell signal was fulfilled, and now we see an upward reversal trend with price targets of 16, 19 and then 22 Canadian dollars. The company has no debt and is profitable. Whistler Silver is a silver developer and just did a 34.5 million Canadian dollars financing and showed a 48% increase in indicated mineral resources from 155.8 million ounces silver equivalent, and also a 48% increase in inferred resources to almost 170 million ounces silver equivalent. Important also is the 17% increase in average indicated resource grade from 437 to 511 grams silver equivalent per ton, which would make it even more economic, as the company is now moving towards a production plan with an expected production start in 2027 hopefully. The 50-day average crossed the 200-day average, creating a nice buy signal. The first price target is around the $2.20 level Canadian dollars, and longer term we see here 3.5 to 4 Canadian dollars as possible. Another developer is Discovery Silver and also Sierra Madre Gold and Silver. Discovery owns 100% one of the largest silver resources in the world and develops their Cordero project into production. The lower price target at 75 Canadian cents is now reached, and we think the stock could turn with silver price moving further upwards. A first price target is then at 2.25 to 2.75 Canadian dollars. Last but not least, Sierra Madre Gold and Silver. The company is working on the restart of the La Guitarra mine and has First Majestic Silver as a major shareholder. The company is young and more speculative, but the chart has reached its lows, and we think there is a huge chance for nice profits when things move well for production. A first price target is around the 80 cents to 1 Canadian dollar level for the stock. Silver shines bright, and we think the time is right for a major and sustainable breakout. Sprott Asset Management expects silver supply by 2030 only around 1.05 billion ounces silver, but demand side shall be then at 1.31 billion ounces of silver. This is still a huge deficit, with demand expected then from solar to be at 707 gigawatts. Silver is the place to be. I'm Jochen Staiger, Swiss Resource Capital AG in partnership with Dukas Compi TV. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Geneva.